This is Buxom's Plump Shot, and you can consider skipping your lip filler appointment. This is just like getting a lip flip, and I am going ahead and demonstrating what it looks like on one side of my face. I like how thin the brush is. It makes applying very easy. And precise. And you can tell there's quite a dramatic difference. I think this is very worth the purchase and definitely worth getting.